just arrived back to the car. I do not know what to do with myself. Anxiety level has peaked. I've forgotten how to breathe, drive, pay things, just be a normal functioning citizen of society, basically. But we're gonna take some deep breaths and we're gonna get through this. The plan of the day: go to DFO, look for some togs, and then I'm gonna go back to the Airbnb, pick up my suitcase and just tidy things up. And then I'm gonna go hang out at the Narangba home with the fams, clean out the car, give it a good vacuum. Oakley dokley, here I go. Yes. Put it. No, I'll put it here. Guys, I made it to DFO. Man, I was having a bit of a anxiety. I can't remember the last time I've driven in a city that has traffic lights, or yeah. And then you can imagine like the airport, trying to even get out of the parking. Oh my gosh. Anyway, we made it, so I'm gonna go look for some togs, as depressing as that is, but we'll get it done. I'm just, oh wow, this is so weird, walking around DFO with no kids. Thought I'd be in heaven, but I'm a bit sad, to be honest. Okay. Hey guys, I am at, Novotel, back at the Novotel, and I just realized I haven't vlogged, so I'm gonna vlog getting to my room. Okay, bro, what is the time? It's midnight. Like, okay, all right guys, okay guys, it is 20 past 12. Had some mad yaps with sissies Sybil and Paige at the Narangba house, fully overstayed, and just made myself right at home on their couch for the last 9 hours. 9 hours I was there. Eating their food, chatting their ears off. It was great, it was great. My Uber just dropped me off at the Novotel. I was going to just crash there, but at the same time I was like, I don't want to be rushing to the airport in the morning, so I opted to come stay at the Novotel. I'm only 5 or maybe 8 minutes away from the airport in the morning, so it will hopefully be a very smooth transition. I don't remember getting 2 beds, but that's okay. And yeah, I'm gonna have a shower. Miss my family terribly, but we are pushing through. Bit delirious, to be honest. But yeah. What up, gang? I'm here at the Brisbane Novotel, and I'm about to get ready to head to the Brisbane International Airport, where I'll fly to Auckland, Raro, and then Aitutaki. I'll be there for 4 days for my cousin's wedding, so stay tuned for more Aitutaki vloggy content. Lego. What up, gang? We're here in Rarotonga with the bro, fresh off the plane. This place is mad. It's actually so nice. Oh, it's currently 2:30 a.m. Very jet lagged and tired, so I'm gonna catch some Z's and then wake up early, and we've got our Aitutaki flight at 9 o'clock. Let's go. Yo!
Ready?
Gaurana! What? Just go. Oh, it's lunch and dad! Bruh! Oh! Hello! Oh my gosh! Thanks to see you. Love you. Welcome. Oh, this is cool. Shucks. Hey, Dad. Oh, there they are. Oh, kuzzy. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, we made it. Hello. Kia ora. Good.
Hey brother, how are you?
This is the coolest welcoming party ever. Check it out. We did not expect that. We're like, so how are we getting from the airport?
Tell you that right now.
Wait, say that again.
The universe is vibrating.
The frequency.
The frequencies are awesome.
Off the chart.
We got 4 Jimmy Rays in a car. Holy heck. It's a Jimmy Ray overload taking so long to get us to the stage.
We got here
What's the saying?
in the end.
Better late than never.
Yeah.
But there is a reason that we're all here now.
This very time.
Monday morning traffic got me feeling so low, but I just closed
Guys,
my
we
eyes
here.
and let the world
What up, gang? Oh, we're doing a double vlog once again.
Look at us double vlogging.
Double vloggies in the house. Oh, that's not. We on 2% fam, so this will be probably you know.
Oh wow. Holy heck.
It for the day. This is. Hey, hey.
Oh, sorry, my bed is crusty.
Bro, that's clean. I was about to walk straight through that. Man, this is nice. Hey.
Clean your room. There's 2 rooms, that one and this one here.
Ooh.
But that one's clearly got the view and the balcony.
Yeah. Shot.
Picture turquoise water in the sand so white.
Don't get much better than this.
Everything's alright. Life is too short to be stressing every day. Just kick off your shoes and let the music play. Catch an island breeze blowing through the trees. Feel the rhythm easing every part of me. No need to hurry, no need to please. Just swaying in the island breeze. Boss is calling but I'm miles away. Dancing in the sunshine where the palm trees sway. Reggae on the radio, a smile upon my face. The ocean is my office, the beach is my place. Life is too short to be stressing every day. Just kick off your shoes and let the music play. Catch an island breeze blowing through the trees. Feel the rhythm easing every part of me. No need to hurry, no need to please. Just swaying in the island breeze.
What up, gang.
Wow.
We're trying some goody gumdrops. And lunch. Get in here, girl. Ooh. Ooh, I didn't expect that complexion. It's kind of like a greeny, pistachio-y.
84005. 84006. No,
You gonna have some?
just a little bit.
Okay, ready? Cheers.
My goodness.
That's good. It tastes
like
exactly
ice
like
cream.
ice cream.
Wow, it does.
Rate that.
That is good.
9. 9.8.
What? 5.
Alright. Oh. You haven't tried it?
Nope.
Let it simmer.
Oh, it's got what jelly in it. Oh, great.
Morning, guys. We're here in the Aitutaki. Is that a thing? People say that? Basking in some good vibes and some. Oh,
There's a fried bread, butter, and jam, and it's delicious.
got
Under that,
Dad
see the main passage?
basking in the glory. Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh.
The main passage? Talking to all of you.
Ah,
That main passage, and straight out underneath on the C4 for 10 kilometers is billions of dollars worth of manganese. That's one of the main veins is in line with that main passage right there.
what's a manganese?
It's raw, like it's what steel, aluminum, copper, zinc, all is extracted from that manganese.
You heard it first here, guys. Manganese in the heezy.
Hey guys, we are now on our way to the Vaka, which is where us and 40 of our crewmates, our family and friends, are going to be going out to some of the islands around Aitutaki, and we're going to be spending 4 hours on this Vaka or cruise, and we're going to have dinner, and there's going to be drinks and music and swimming, and the tour guides are awesome and they're also family, so it's going to be a great day.
Yay! And how are you going today, Dad?
Jolly! Yep. Looking forward to getting in the water. Yeah, me too. Well, love it up. I've got my sunscreen on my back, ready for the shirt to come off.
Yeah, the city sleeps, the moon's on fire. Let's leave tonight, fulfill desire. Got a secret place just for us two. Follow the bass, I'll guide you through. Don't you feel the rhythm in my soul? About to lose all of our control. Welcome to my island dream, a place where we can reign supreme. My island dream, sun-kissed skin in the summer. Just let it go and touch the sky. Island dream, this crazy love's the only thing. Sun-kissed skin in the summer. Come stay with me a little while. My island dream, baby. Yeah, no need for maps, no need for time. Just your hand held in
Like a bit of a pinch me moment. I'm kind of like, what is happening in the Matrix?
perfect sweet reality. Don't you feel the rhythm in my soul? About to lose all of our control. Welcome to my island dream.
reckon that's safe there? We should do a little segment. We will now have.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane a masterpiece. Oh my love, I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down till we're dead and buried, on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vibe. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so wild of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
That breadfruit tree, that mango tree. We planted all of these. Very extended families. Do you think they'd know the stories so be able to corroborate? Down this long time. My mum planted all these. Your grandmother.
She did?
Yeah, this is where we used to live. Our homestead was here.
Serious? And now it's a what? It's a
Now it's a
resort.
tourist thing. Yeah.
So yeah. When it's time to find home. Okay, we're just doing a little photo up here at the lookout.
This is the uppest you can go to.
What?
Yeah, this is the better. Look behind you. Look this way.
Hey, we got a
Hey.
Bring a poo up here. We ain't going up there, but
Yeah.
I mean, we can walk up, but I'm certainly not going to drive.
We'll drive as far as we can and then we'll just park.
Yeah, because the road just at the bottom of Mongapoo goes down to the road.
It's like a car park.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Okay.
Where's the car
that
park?
road goes now.
Should we go up?
No.
Hell no.
Hey, just not-
Where's the car park?
This whole thing is a car park.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Oh,
You don't want to walk up, mate?
It's like literally like.
Oh wait, yeah.
So guys, we're about to summit Mount Mongapoo. Bit of a little walk up there, walkabout. Lanja's not keen, so she's looking after the car for us. So me, Dad and Eve are gonna
Do a little walk.
Yep, that's it. See you at the top. Whoa! Who's unfit? Me!
Yeah, but you made it. You gave it a go. Now you're here.
Wow. It's really small.
What, the island?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, it's like you can see the outside, the outer
Yeah.
rim of it, of
Yes.
everything.
Yes, you can. Yep, you're looking at the reef that goes right
Yeah.
around Aitutaki.
It's a big volcanic crater.
Yes.
Look at that surf out there. It's just peeling.
Oh, there you go.
The surf is
Holy.
peeling, folks. The surf is peeling. You heard it here. The surf is peeling. This view is insane. You can literally see the whole of Aitutaki. Crazy. That's what's up.
Oh, it's a bit overcast, the cloudiness.
cameras
but-
on, eh?
Hey? Yeah, no, it's solid as. And you're bolted to concrete. That's a big slab of concrete.
Maybe I should climb on the inside of the tower. That
Better,
might be smart.
yeah, smarter. Yeah, better. Holy Mac, I haven't had all bar since I've been here. Yeah. That's unheard of on Aitutaki.
We're just up here at the top of Mount Mongapoo. Eve's just getting us the aerial shot, despite warning signs to not climb.
I think we better get some proof that of a crazy islander.
Yeah. Damn.
So she works for what? Yeah, right.
Nana's biological dad. That was, remember he adopted her out.
Yes, that's good.
D. Daniel Atai.
So was Caroline Nana's mum or
No,
different lady?
no, different lady. Yeah.
Who's Nana's birth mum?
Sophie.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, because he was married to her and then
Yeah.
had Nana with Sophie, right?
Yeah. No, he had Nana before he married to her.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so he didn't. He passed. He passed on my birth year.
Really?
What?
Yeah, 95.
Oh, yeah.
So he went out of this world and you came in?
Yeah.
Came in and he went out.
No,
Wow.
see, these rows of trees, these, see this line of fucking trees,
yeah.
including this one?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
He looks like Nana.
This is
He
the
looks like
boundary.
Nana.
Yeah, hard out.
Nana look.
1, 2, 3. It's our last sunset here in our Riu accommodation. We've set up the place for the kuzzies to come over and have like a last hangout / games night perhaps. Hey fam, we're here, we're just checking out of our Airbnb, heading to the airport, well me and Laney are, but man, what a trip. It's been epic, it's been the trip of a lifetime, and I think we'll be back for sure. Say bye everyone to the vlog, peace out.
So fun. Give me up.
Eee.